So welcome everybody, this is Zesta Herbal Soap Skincare and Lifestyle. I will show you how to make soap that solidifies in about 3 hours or less. Okay, so I'm using hot process. This soap, by making this hot process, this soap can cure easily. Okay, faster. Let me not say easily. It can cure faster. Instead of you leaving it for 3 weeks, within a week or 2 it is ready. So I've poured in my lye water and I'm mixing it. When you mix it, you also allow it to get a bit hot to make sure that it has trace and saponification is complete before you move on to the next step. So here you can see me pouring in my calcium. This part is completely optional. Okay, you don't have to do this. Okay, and then next my sodium sulfate. Okay, so you know both of them are hardeners, and our calcium also functions as a filler. You allow your soap to cook for some time. That is because your soap will get hard with all these ingredients you add. So you see, you allow it cook for some time such that it becomes a bit soft. Generally, I used water discount for this soap making. This means that the soap will be really hard, okay, even in the pot. So now finally I'm pouring in my silicate. If you like, you can put in perfume and color. I'm not adding perfume nor color because this is laundry soap. Okay, so this is the soap. You can see how thick it is. I poured it into the mold. It was quite late, but within these 3 hours you can see already the pieces have already solidified. Okay, so this soap will look white or off-white because of the calcium in it. Okay, and remember I didn't add color. So this is the soap. It has already solidified, as you can see. Okay, you can see how hard it is. I'm using my knuckles on it though, and still there's even no hole on it, even with me using my knuckles. That's to tell you how strong it is, just in about 3 hours time. So this is me cutting the soap. I'm cutting it for you to see, so that you see how soft it is. It isn't soft enough for you to cut, but it is still strong enough for it not to be like putty in your hands. You can see my hands are not looking, how will I say, it is not sticking to my hands. You can see. Okay, so I'm going to fast forward the video for you to see. So this is the kind of soap you can make immediately, cut that day, leave it for about a week and sell. I'm using the measurement of commercial soap to make it. Okay, so you can see I'm fast forwarding it. Meanwhile, if you need this table cutter, we have it available. We have one of the cheapest cutters, so please patronize us. Okay, others sell this cutter for almost 100 and okay, but with everything that this cutter has, it is cheap. Okay, and less of cut, very easy to use. So these are my stack of soap. You can see all of them look the same. Even just check out this one. Easy cutting, easy work. You can imagine if you get this recipe, you make your soap in 3 hours to cut in less than an hour. You leave it for a week and you sell off. Very easy. You never feel the stress of soap making. So if you're also interested in our training online, it is very cheap, just 5,000 naira. You can join our Telegram page. This is my final soap. Okay, you can cut your soap both vertically and horizontally. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions to ask, I still remain yours, Sister Herbal Soap and Skincare. I love you all. Ciao.